Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today's lesson is adding a fraction to a mixed number. Here's our title down here at the bottom. Adding a mixed number to a fraction. I'm getting fancy here with my designs, aren't I? Let's make sure that you have pencil and paper, as always, and let's get started. Give me 1 second, I'm trying to get my pen up so I can write on the screen. Okay, so the first problem we have is 3 and 1/4 plus 3 and 1/4. Okay, and what we notice is that we can easily add together this 1/4 and this 1/4. Okay, so we've got 3 holes over here and we don't have any holes over here. Okay, so how many holes does that give us then? 3 holes plus no holes gives us, say it, 3 holes. And then 1/4 and 1/4 gives us 2 fourths. That one was pretty easy, right? Yeah, okay. Nothing fancy or complicated there, okay? It gets a little more trickier though. All right, so let's try another one. So we've got 7 holes and 3/4 plus 1/4. Again, we've got 7 holes over here, but we don't have any holes over here. So that gives us a total of, say it before I write it, say it before I write it, 7 holes. Okay, now we've got 3/4 and 1/4. 3/4 and 1/4 gives us, I want you to say the answer. Well, I need to erase some stuff up here. It's taking up too much room. I hope you have the answer written on your paper by now. Okay, back down here. All right, 3/4 and 1/4 gives us 4 fourths. Okay, very good. Now, what do we notice? Give you a second to think about it. What do we notice? I want you to say it out loud. Say it to your cat, say it to your dog, say it to yourself. Say it to your mom, say it to your baby sister. We notice that we have 4 fourths. 4 fourths is equivalent to 1 hole. Very good. So we need to change this. So we have 7 holes and we have 4 fourths, which is equal to a hole. This right here is equal to 1 hole. So together that gives us 8 holes. There we go. Not too complicated still. Okay. All right. Let's come down here to the next one. We've got 3 and 3/5 plus 3 and 3/5. So we have 3 holes over here, but no holes over here. So that gives us a total of 3 holes. 3/5 plus 3/5, say it before I write it, say it before I write it, gives us 6/5. Now, we have an issue here. Think about what the issue is. Think about what we need to fix. Say it before I tell you. Say it out loud. Okay, 6/5 is an improper fraction. Okay, we can't leave it like that. Okay, so we need to think about it. What do I have in there? I have 5/5, which is a whole. And then if I pull out the 5/5, I have 1/5 left. So 3 holes. Let's change colors here. So 3 holes plus these 5/5 make how many holes? 3 holes and 5/5, which is 1 more hole, makes how many holes? Makes 4 holes. And then what do you have left over here? You still have 1 more fifth, okay? So your answer is 4 and 1/5. Okay, and that's how the rest of these problems are, is that you're going to have to take, your answer is going to have an improper fraction in it. You're going to have to pull out the holes, okay, and fix your answer. Okay, so after we pulled out the whole, the 5/5, we put it with the 3. That gave us 4 wholes, and then we had 1/5 left over. Okay, so I want you to try 4, 5, and 6, and then I want you to be ready to share them during our meeting time. Okay, see you guys then.